In this video we will continue our effort to make superheated water using microwave. This time, we will use demineralized water, with the same setup as previous experiment. While the water is being poured to the glass, some air must have been dissolved into the water. Let's set the power level to medium, with 1 minute duration. The water doesn't seem to boil for longer than before. The water just exploded. The glass is empty now. Now we will try to make a more controlled superheating process. The water in the glass is more than before. Hopefully the heating process can be made slower. After around 30 seconds, the water seems to start boiling. Let's pause the heating for a moment. Let's resume the heating. In just a few seconds, the water starts to boil again. Let's check if it has been superheated by inserting a metal object. Nothing interesting seems to happen. Before declaring it as a failure, let's try it once again. Around 20 seconds into the heating process, the water starts to boil. Let's check again if it has been superheated by inserting a metal object. This time we can see some bubbles are forming on the surface of the metal. Perhaps in previous attempt, The metal object was still cool, thus absorbed too much heat from the water, preventing it from boiling. Finally, we have successfully made superheated water using microwave.